Guys, I started my period today. But also this is our first time making kimchi. What's your expectation, yo?
I think it's gonna turn out to be average.
Average? Well, in my opinion, I have no absolute expectation at all. Because I've never made it. 눈이 매워요. Oh my god. I get teary eyes again for peeking at it for that little second. Oh, do you see? I'm crying. 대박. Pure garlic onion. It doesn't come out. Come out, puree.
It's like mashed potato.
Oh my god, it's so cool. It's like baby food. Except if you feed this to a baby, the baby's gonna become a dragon.
Mashed potatoes.
사과 같은 내 아들. Apple puree and garlic and onion. Cabbage. 3 of those. I'm just not that committed to this first time making it. So I'm just gonna work with what I have and see if it actually tastes like kimchi. I'm sure it will. It's very easy. Step 1, wash your veggies. Step 2, chop your veggies.
And careful with your fingers.
Yeah, careful with your fingers. Watch what you're cutting. And step 3, toss them in your sauce. Literally just like you would make a simple olive oil salad. That's it. If you know how to make salad, you can make kimchi.
Yummy!
So far, from the look of the recipe, seems like it's really not that hard.
Oh, it seems like you're good.
No, it just seems like all there is a lot of prep. Like I really used to think, oh my god, there's so much to making of kimchi that I never even dare to look at a recipe.
Yeah.
But honestly, if you regularly cook at home, you make yourself dinner, lunch, breakfast, or whatever. And if your food incorporates some kind of vegetable, then you can make it.
Yeah.
Because all there is same chopping. You just go like boom, 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 boom. You just chop. I'm tired. Done. Okay.
Good.
Oh, I'm tired.
So we're gonna make all 3.
I don't know. Let's go. It's spicy.